Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to a Trinity Stamps close-up featuring the new A Better Place stamp. This is one of 5 encouragement sentiment stamps being released during the Crafty Hugs release. It is a clear stamp that measures 3.5 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide. It's sized perfectly for the mini card that is found in the newest slimline die set frame and fold, but can easily be used on its own. Now, large sentiments like this are great for focal points on clean and simple cards, perfect for heat embossing on ink blended backgrounds, and coloring with your favorite mediums. Now, I have a few samples to share with you, and you can find the A Better Place stamp in the Trinity Stamps online shop now. So let us know what you think about the new encouragement sentiment stamps in the comments below. We hope you'll click that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified of new content coming to the Trinity channel. Please feel free to share and or give us a thumbs up if you wish. If you're looking for more inspiration from Trinity, be sure to follow us on Instagram and Pinterest. Also join us over on the Trinity Stamps Facebook group, Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation, where you can share your projects, find inspiration, and crafty conversation about all things Trinity. Now, you can find all the links in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed joining me today, and please know how much we appreciate you taking the time to watch. Have a great day.